In this video, I will demonstrate how to seamlessly integrate PayPal payments into your Shopify store with detailed step-by-step instructions. To get started, head to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings in the bottom left-hand corner, then select Payments. Here, you can add PayPal as a supported payment method. If it's not listed, click Add Payment Methods and search for PayPal. Keep in mind that you'll need a business PayPal account for this integration. If you don't have one, you'll be guided to the business sign-up page. For those with existing business accounts, simply log in. Once on the PayPal integration page, follow the prompts to connect your PayPal account, granting permission for Shopify to access it for payment processing. After agreeing to the terms and linking your accounts, you might see a feedback request, which you can skip. A confirmation message will then confirm the successful integration of PayPal with Shopify. Click Go Back to Shopify to return to the Payments tab, where you'll see that PayPal is now active and ready to use. These instructions should help you effortlessly connect PayPal to your Shopify store